Right, using your own custom CSS in a Flask application. What I've got showing here is a typical setup. I've got a layout.html, that's this here, and that's got things like all of the head stuff, including links to Bootstrap CDN files, and it's got here .content, and my typical page like users.html here extends layout.html and just has the contenty stuff in here. You'll notice it has got like a Bootstrap style. Table class equals table is picking that up directly from Bootstrap. This looks like this. So I want to add my own custom CSS as well as just Bootstrap styles. So I'm going to do that right here. You will recall, of course, that when you put in your own custom CSS, it needs to go after the Bootstrap CSS file. Otherwise, it will. It always prioritizes the most recently loaded CSS. So we are making ours load after the Bootstrap one. So normally it would be a link to a CSS file. I'm going to come back to that, and link type relationship equals this, a style sheet. Now we should of course put our style sheets, it's static content, so we should put it inside a static folder. I already have one here. Look, I had a form validation.js file. This is going to be super handy because I'm going to be using this exact format here. Let's make our CSS file though. So right here I'm going to add a new item which will be a style sheet. Installed style sheet. I'm going to call it stylesheet.css, and I'm going to give it a lowercase s just to be consistent. So I have a stylesheet.css. I always like to check that things are working correctly, so I'm going to say background color and red. I'll take this out after I've checked that everything's working. So now I have a stylesheet.css, and I just need my layout.html to refer to that, and this is where I'm going to use this URL for static file name equals, Control C, put that in here, Control V, and it's going to be stylesheet.css. I think I'm happy with that. So are we going to get a big red page? Oh yes, that's red. Alright, so that's how you add your own custom style sheet in order to put your own custom styles into it.